If statements are often used to test a value, and we may have a different outcome based on what that value is. So if a particular value or condition is met, we might have an action if it's true and then an action if it's false. And these can be two different actions. So we have an example here where we have the results of 3 exams for 3 people, and we want to output the word pass or fail based on whether the score is 40 or above or below 40. So if it's 40 or above, the word pass will appear here. If it's below 40, the word fail will appear. So we can do this using an if statement where we test each score. So we go up to our function button, select if. We're presented with this box, and within these 3 boxes we're going to fill in 3 different values. So in the first box is our test. So what's the condition that we want to actually test? We want to know if this score is greater than or equal to 40. And if that is true, we want the action, the word pass, to appear. If it's false, the action will be that the word fail appears. So we can see here now that the word pass appears, and we can autofill, and it will work out for each subject whether it is passed or failed. And it will also update. So if my bottom score here was to reduce to 39, it automatically updates to a fail. So we can also use an if statement to carry out a calculation. So if we had this very simple example where if we had some items that we were selling and we were going to offer a shipping discount based on what the price of the item is, or the price of the item that has been purchased. If the item value is below 20 euros, then the person is going to have to pay a shipping cost. So they're going to have to pay 10% of whatever the price was. If it's above 20 euros, then they don't have to pay anything. So in here, we select our if statement again. We have our 3 boxes that we need to fill. Our first is our test. So is my first price greater than or equal to 20? If this is true, then the person pays nothing on the shipping of the item. But if it's false, then we have to work out a percentage. So we decided we were going to charge 10% of whatever the shipping price is. So 10% multiplied by the price. So we can see for the first one it's free. Anybody who's below 20 euros should have to pay a fee. So we can see here now that this person at the bottom has a €1 shipping fee. So we can change that to a currency, and we can work out our final costs, which are simply the 2 values added together. So my price and my shipping autofill down, and it will work out each of my costs.